If you saw this bottle on a drugstore shelf, you would probably keep walking without a second thought because it looks like something from a hospital supply closet. It is plain, it is white, it is completely devoid of any marketing soul, but that clinical aesthetic is exactly why luxury beauty brands are shaking. This is not just another facial lotion. It is a pharmaceutical-grade disruptor that is currently embarrassing the entire skincare industry. We are talking about a product with a cult following so loyal it borders on the religious. People who have tried every $100 cream on the market, they almost always end up right here. The story starts back in the mid-70s. Two hospital pharmacists were tired of seeing patients with reactive, angry, shredded skin. They were working right next to the world-famous Mayo Clinic in Minnesota. They were not trying to build a lifestyle brand or get famous on social media. They were trying to solve a genuine medical problem for people with extreme sensitivities. They founded their own company, and decades later, they still operate with a level of discipline that most beauty brands ignore. They are a government-inspected and licensed pharmaceutical manufacturer. That is a huge distinction. Most skincare companies follow standard cosmetic rules, which are much more relaxed. This team treats every batch like it is a prescription drug. When you look at the back of a standard face cream, you will typically see 40, maybe even 60 ingredients. It is usually a chaotic chemistry set filled with botanical extracts and heavy perfumes designed to smell like a spa. This moisturizer has 20 ingredients. Just 20. Every single one has a clear scientific purpose. It features 5 different ceramides. Most of the massive drugstore names only use 3. It has squalane, which is a lipid your skin naturally produces and loves. It includes glycerin, which studies consistently show is more effective than many of the trendy hydrators people obsess over. And it has carnosine, an antioxidant that most affordable brands skip entirely because it costs too much. But the real magic is what they left out. No fragrance, no dyes, no parabens, no essential oils, no formaldehyde releasers. Even the most popular competitors still use parabens as preservatives and pack their formulas with twice as many ingredients. For people with reactive skin, those extra ingredients are not a bonus. They are a liability. The National Eczema Association gave this formula their seal of acceptance, which is one of the hardest marks to earn in the industry. According to professional surveys, dermatologists now recommend this brand for sensitive skin more than any other name in the aisle. It is beating the giants, and it is doing it with the most boring packaging ever made. It is lightweight. It absorbs instantly, and it works perfectly under makeup. If your skin is extremely dry, you might need a heavier layer at night. But for everyone else, this is the gold standard. At around $16, you are getting pure pharmaceutical-grade chemistry without the marketing fluff. Stop paying for the fancy glass jar and start paying for what actually repairs your skin. It is a simple choice. Once you see past the hype, I spend a lot of time investigating these products, and I would rather not fill this space with sponsored content from companies whose products I might roast next week. That would be awkward. If this review helped you out or saved you from wasting money, there are ways to support this work. A tiny portion of what you're already spending on basics helps fund these investigations. Trust me, the big tech giants won't even notice it is missing. It is the easiest way to help out without spending extra money. Keep questioning everything, and I will see you in the next investigation. We will figure out what is actually worth your money and what is just expensive garbage with good marketing. Stay sharp.